So in this video, we will talk about the system development life cycle. It is also abbreviated as the SDLC. In your most of the books, in your most of the scenarios, when you talk about the system development life cycle, we will always use the short form of this SDLC, and it is a conceptual model used in project management. It usually describes the stages that are involved in information security development project from an initial feasibility study all the way through the maintenance of the completed application. SDLC can apply to both technical and non-technical system. So that I told that it describes the information system development life cycle, but it also describes the non-technical systems also. In most system, system describe an IT technology such as hardware or software. Project and program managers, system and software engineers, development teams, and end user all take part in the SDLC, system development life cycle. So complex projects particularly benefit from the SDLC approach. For such projects, that the complex projects, the development process can be time consuming, complicated, prone to numerous roadblocks, and involve numerous parties. The SDLC provide project managers with the tools to identify and mitigate such roadblocks and minimize the complexity as the project progresses. Okay, so this is all about the basics that you should know about the SDLC. Now, the SDLC involves some stages. SDLC consists of several interconnected phases or the stages that provide a structure framework for developing a system. Each phase plays a vital role in ensuring the system is successfully developed, with system design being especially critical in shaping the final product. Okay, so there are the several stages or phases that are involved in the SDLC, and all these are interconnected. So, what are these stages? These stages are the first one is the planning. Okay, the planning. Second one is analysis, and third one is design. After that, we have development. Next one is testing, and is that after that is implementation, and the not the and the last one is the maintenance. So all these are the seven stages or the phases in the SDLC. Now we will discuss each of them separately. As the first stage is the planning stage. So the planning stage sets the foundation of for the entire SDLC. This stage involves identify the system objectives, defining the scope, setting timelines, and allocating resources. Okay, so effective planning ensures that the development process align with the organization goals, guiding the project in a clear and structures direction. Okay, that is all about the planning stage, because we have to define the we have to identify the system's objective, what we have to plan, what we are going to plan, but that system is going to uh, we can say the solve the problem. What's the scope of that problem? What is the timeline? How we are at in which timelines we are going to complete the system? That is the structures direction. Okay, so that's the stage one, planning. After that, the stage two is the analysis. In the analysis stage, the focus is on understanding and documenting the system's requirement. This involves gathering input from stakeholders, reviewing current processing, and identifying systems needs. So we review the current processes in the forms of the we can say the we do the survey. So the data collected using the surveys about the current processes, or what uh, the need of what is the need. Okay, that data form the basis for the developing a system that addresses both users' expectation and organizational challenges. Okay, that is done in the analysis stage. After that, the stage three is the design stage. In the design stage translates the requirement gathered during analysis stage into a detailed technical blueprint. This includes designing systems architecture, database model, user interface, and defining system components. So the outcome of this phase provide the technical structure needed to guide the upcoming development and implementation activities. Okay, so that the data we have gathered in the analysis stage, we form a complete architecture of the system. Stage 4 is the development stage. In this stage, the actual coding and development of system takes place. Developer build the system according to design specification, implementing features, creating database, and writing code. As in the design stage, we get the architectures, database models, user face, interfaces design. So on that basis, developers develop the system, create a database. Okay, so this phase also includes initial internal testing to ensure the system functions as expected and adheres to design and functional requirements. There's a staging 5 technique testing is crucial phase that ensures the system is free of errors and function correctly under the various conditions. This phase includes multiple types of testing such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. So the main goal of this testing phase is to identify and fix any issue before the system is developed to the production or sent for the users. After that, the stage 6 is the implementation stage. This stage involves deploying the developed system into a live environment. Key activities include system installation, migrating data, training users, and configuring infrastructure. This phase also requires thorough planning to ensure a smooth transition from the existing system to the new one with minimal descriptions. Okay, like we are using any one system and we are migrating to a new development system. So we have to plan accordingly that our work does not disrupt it and we does not lose any business. After that, there's last stage is the maintenance stage. Maintenance is ongoing phase where the system is monitored, maintained, and updated as needed. This include bug fixing, performance enhancement, security patches, and responding to user feedbacks. Proper maintenance ensure the system remains efficient, secure, and adaptable to business needs. So this is all about the system development life cycle.